Okay, so here is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite in Oxford Grey. I will unbox this. And this one has 64 GB of storage, 4 GB of RAM and a 10.4-inch display. It will be interesting to see this and how good the display is. It's just a TFT display, but maybe it's enough to watching movies and so on, who knows. So, really nice packaging. I like that, looks professional. And this Galaxy Tab S6 Lite supports the S Pen too. And we will have an S Pen in the box. And here it is. Wow. Let's take this later. Moving on with an charging cable, USB Type A to USB Type C cable. And here we have the charger itself. Nice. What's more in the box? SIM card pin. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has a LTE connection, so you can have a nano SIM in it. And here we have some documentations and so on. And here we have the S Pen. Nice. And that's what's in the box. Now it's empty. So here we have the S Pen. I don't see any button on it. Here it is, a button. Click, click, click. So it has the exact same button as my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And here is the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So let's see how to open this package in the best way. Looks like this is the best way. I wonder how the Oxford Grey color is. Nice, very light. And not so big bezels, but it has bezel, but that's a good thing, because with bezels you can hold your fingers out here. And it has a selfie camera on the front and a main camera on the back. And here you see the speakers are from AKG. And here is the Oxford Grey color. Looks very nice. And here we have the LTE modem at the top. So, and here we have the volume rockers and a power button. And at the bottom we have a USB Type-C and a speaker. So volume rocker and power button. So let's power it on to see the display starting. Very nice. Hi. Looks really good. I like it so far. It's just a half full battery when it's delivered. So here it is, TFT display. Looks kind of bright to me, so it will be interesting to try this later on. So that's about it for this unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite LTE version. We have the SIM card tray at the top. And we have a 3.5mm plug for headphones. That's interesting. Cool. And here we have the SIM card tray. Really nice. So that was the unboxing. I will do a video later on when it's set up and so on. Bye.